In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to insert columns in LibreOffice. Whether you're organizing data or just want to enhance the layout of a document, inserting columns in LibreOffice Writer can be an incredibly useful skill. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it for free from the official LibreOffice website. Once you've got it up and running, look for the Writer application. LibreOffice Writer is essentially the equivalent of Microsoft Word, and it's where you'll be working to insert your columns. With LibreOffice Writer open, the next step is to create or open a document. If you're starting a new document, simply click on Writer Document from the main menu. This will open up a blank page where you can begin adding your content. If you already have a document that you want to work with, go ahead and open it up now. Now that you're in your document, it's time to insert a table. Look towards the top of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down menu, select Table. A dialog box will pop up asking you how many columns and rows you want to start with. For now, you can just input the number of columns that you think you'll need, as you can always add more later. After your table is inserted into the document, you're ready to add additional columns. To do this, you'll need to right-click anywhere within the table. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Insert. This will give you the choice to add either a column before or after the current selection. Choosing column before will insert a new column to the left of where your cursor is currently positioned, while selecting column after will add a column to the right. This flexibility allows you to customize the table to suit your needs perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert columns in LibreOffice. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and organize your data in Writer documents. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try adjusting your columns or experimenting with different table layouts to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.